Valentine's Day special soft and delicious gluten-free chocolate cake. Try this cake and surprise your loved one on this Valentine's Day. Trust me, you cannot stop by eating one piece. This cake is the best option for chocolate lovers who wants to eat gluten-free cake. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special oatmeal chocolate cake. This cake will be 100% gluten-free. So let's get started. Take 50 grams of cocoa powder in a mixing bowl. To this, add 120 ml of hot water and mix. When cocoa powder combines with the water and becomes thick, add 95 grams of melted unsalted butter and mix well. When butter mixed well, break 2 eggs in a small bowl. This process is to save and protect the mixture from eggshells and spoiled eggs. Now add 3 ml of vanilla, egg to the chocolate mixture and mix till chocolate mixture and eggs combines well. Now add 175 grams of powdered sugar and mix till sugar dissolves in the chocolate mixture. Now it's time to add flour. In a sieve, take 3 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of baking soda, 30 grams of almond flour, and 150 grams of oatmeal flour. If you cannot find oatmeal flour, blend the oats and sift them. Don't use without sifting. Cake will have large grains and will break easily. Now sift in all the ingredients. Now mix all the dry ingredients till they well combine with chocolate. When you have thick batter like this, take 120 ml of warm milk in a separate bowl. To this, add 4 grams of instant coffee and mix. When coffee powder dissolves in the milk, add this to the cake batter and mix well. When coffee combines well, prepare the cake mold. Here I'm using 6-inch flower-shaped mold. You can customize as per your wish. Apply oil or batter and place the butter paper in the cake mold. Now divide the cake batter into 3 equal parts. You can use weighing machine, measuring cups or any other way which is comfort for you. Each part will come approximately 275 grams. Pour the cake batter into the cake mold. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 25 minutes. And repeat the same process for the rest of the parts. Here I'm doing one at a time. If your oven is big enough and you have 3 molds same size, you can bake all at once. While our last layer of cake is baking, we'll prepare cream for our cake. For the cream, take 100 grams of milk chocolate in a bowl. If you are using chocolate bar, chop it and add it to the bowl. In the same bowl, add 65% dark chocolate, 150 grams, 210 grams of heavy cream. Here I am using 25% fat cream. Now pour hot water in another bowl. Place the chocolate bowl on top of the hot water and melt the chocolate. When chocolate melts, take the bowl out from the hot water and add 75 grams of unsalted butter, which is in room temperature, and 30 grams of honey. Mix the butter and honey till they well combine with the chocolate. Now refrigerate it for 30 minutes or till the chocolate hardens. After 30 minutes, our cream is ready. Now we will prepare our cake. Place the first layer and apply the cream on top of it. Cream thickness should be 3 to 5 mm. Now place second layer on top of the first layer and apply the cream. Now place the third layer upside down position so that you will have flat surface. Here I am applying some sugar syrup to the third layer. If you want, you can apply to all the 3 layers or you can skip. Now apply the cream on the top and all around the cake. Here I am doing simple decoration. You can customize the decoration as per your wish. Now refrigerate the cake for about 30 minutes or till the cream hardens. Decorate with chocolate and cherries or any other fruit which you like. Try this cake. I'm sure you will fall in love with this gluten-free chocolate cake.